need to split your PDF files according to specific text indicator? If you have no idea how to do it, let DeftPDF help you accomplish this the easiest way possible. In 4 simple steps, it can be done. Step 1. Log on to www.deftpdf.com. When you get to the homepage, click on All Tools. On the drop-down list, click Split by Text. This sends you to another landing page. Step 2. Click on Upload PDF File and choose the PDF files you want to split from your computer. Step 3. On the text box, indicate the split rule by encoding the specific keyword on the text should start with text box. You can also select the area to be cropped out by dragging the cursor. To customize your PDF file name before downloading by clicking More Options and encoding the file name on the Customize Result Name text box. Step 4. Apply the split by clicking Split PDF by Text and download once the processing is done. You can download the new file directly to your computer or upload it in your Dropbox or Google Drive account. That's it! With 4 simple steps, you can be on your way to splitting your PDF file by text.